Today's the day. The concrete truck just showed up this morning. So Dave and his brother Gino went out to pour the concrete in the footings, and it appears so we'll be one step closer to starting the lay block.
Getting the cement mixer and then getting the backhoe so I can get the block. Here's an update. It's been a few days. Been real busy. Got all the concrete poured. So I had all that rebar in the holes and then the footings. And then the next morning, I didn't have time to set up anything. The concrete truck showed up about a half an hour early. About 7 o'clock in the morning. So we just rushed and poured all the footings, filled all the piers in, and then not perfect, but I tried to level around the outside just enough so we can work on the inside. Smooth out some of the piles. We're ready to start doing the block. I moved about 10 pallets of block up here from where they were down on the other side of the farm. And the sand just got delivered for the mortar. We buy the bags of the Type S masonry cement. Yeah, about one of those bags to like 19 shovels of sand and water. That's what you use to lay the block. So hopefully we'll be starting tomorrow morning. And since it's only 4 pretty straight walls, well, 4 exactly straight walls, and about 14 piers, it shouldn't be too bad.
You all right?
Yeah. Fucking dirt sucks.
Okay, you got another one there to cut.
Day 2. Doing good. One wall finished. The big long wall started. Small one started. And then we got that long one to go.
You take the air conditioners out, Ange?
And it's crazy because all those guys are like 20 years old, 22 and younger. That's
Who?
crazy.
What?
The framers. But there's also a bunch of them like, there's like 15. Yeah, so the guy probably pays for fucking $9 an hour. Can have a bunch of fucking young kids.
I had to see Uncle Matt Caesar years ago, George. Brazilian guy with a big head, looked like a fucking bug. He'd pull up with the van. They must have been sitting on each other's laps and heads.